Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 7 ways to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about 7 ways to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Link to my website is in the description box below this video. Introducing network marketing jobs to the masses. If you are looking for a great way to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses, then I hope this video will be helpful. This is an overview of 7 ways to introduce network marketing to the masses. These are just the 2 main methods. If you would like to learn about some of the many other ways that you can introduce network marketing, here they are. The first way to introduce network marketing to the masses is through word of mouth. People do want to hear what others have to say about something that they care about. This is how many people first found out about the need for a new business opportunity in the first place. The second way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to use the internet. Many businesses find that this medium can be a great way to reach out to the community. The third way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to start a blog or website. You can use the same hard sell that you use in your marketing, but instead, you are reaching out directly to people through the medium that they are most comfortable with. The fourth way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to develop a website that will give more than just information about network marketing. People like to know that they are putting their information into action, and you can give them that by creating a website. The fifth way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to begin advertising. There are several marketing channels that you can use to market your new business. The sixth way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to begin using social media to provide networking opportunities to your clients. This is often referred to as networking. But most people do not realize that this is just the same as making an investment in the network marketing opportunity that you have developed. The seventh way to introduce network marketing to the masses is to open up a direct sales agent to help you recruit your network marketing leads. This person will have the same needs that your direct sales representative does, and they will be the point of contact for your lead generation efforts. While you may not be able to get all of these people to accept your offer of network marketing jobs immediately, it is a proven fact that most people would be interested in those types of opportunities. For that reason, you will need to give these prospects a little bit of time to think about what it is that you are offering. Once they have had the chance to mull over the opportunity that you presented them with, they will have a better understanding of what network marketing offers. As you continue to work with them, they will be able to see what all the hype is about and why it is an ideal business opportunity for them. When you provide the information and the facts about network marketing to the masses, you will find that you will not only have the potential of making a huge income, but you will also be having a tremendous impact on the lives of your clients. While this may be the last way that you are going to be able to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses, it is by far the best way. 7 ways to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses in this video. I am going to discuss 7 ways to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses. Some people think that network marketing is all about making money. This is simply not true. The real truth about network marketing is that it can help you get a foot in the door in your current career and make you a lot of money in the future. Although it takes some time to learn about network marketing. The fact of the matter is that it will make you money, as well as help you set yourself up for success. Thanks for watching my video about 7 ways to introduce network marketing jobs to the masses. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.